Hey everyone, if you've ever found yourself with a layover or a few spare hours at Dubai International Airport, you're in for a treat. I'm here to show you a side of this airport that most people never get to see, one filled with hidden gems, fascinating features, and experiences you'll want to seek out on your next visit. Today, I'm taking you inside Dubai International, one of the world's most jaw-dropping airports, famous for its luxury, innovation, and sheer scale. Did you know Dubai Airport is the world's busiest airport for international passenger traffic, serving over 86 million travelers a year? With 3 massive terminals, it's practically a city in itself, and it's easy to overlook the hidden wonders tucked away in its sprawling corridors. Most people rush through, focused on catching their next flight, but Dubai Airport is packed with secret spots, unique experiences, and must-see places that even frequent flyers often miss. For example, there's a Zen Garden in Terminal 3, a lush, tranquil oasis where you can unwind among greenery and koi ponds. Or, did you know there's a dedicated art gallery showcasing local and international artists right inside the terminal? From exclusive lounges with 5-star amenities to quirky art installations and even a swimming pool, there's so much more here than meets the eye. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or it's your first time in Dubai, get ready to be surprised. We'll uncover everything from secret relaxation zones and gourmet dining spots to high-tech sleep pods and hidden shopping boutiques. Let's jump right in and discover 10 hidden gems that'll completely change the way you see your layover. Get ready to explore, relax, and be amazed by what Dubai Airport has to offer, because this is one layover you'll actually look forward to. Dubai International isn't just busy. It's basically a mini-city, a vibrant hub where cultures from all over the world collide and connect. As soon as you step inside, you're swept up in a whirlwind of energy, excitement, and endless possibilities. But if you know where to look, you'll find so much more than just the usual airport hustle. With over 86 million travelers passing through its terminals every single year, it's one of the world's busiest airports, and it never really sleeps. But that means there are endless corners to explore, if you know the tricks. Here's a tip. Download the Dubai Airport app before you arrive. It's packed with maps, real-time updates, and even guides to secret spots. And don't be shy. Ask airport staff about lesser-known lounges or quiet zones. They often know shortcuts and hidden amenities most travelers miss. Whether you're racing to catch a connecting flight, have a few hours to spare, or are facing a long layover, there's so much more to do here than just wait at your gate. From luxurious lounges and world-class dining to quirky art installations and secret relaxation spots, these hidden gems will transform your airport experience from ordinary to absolutely unforgettable. Look out for the Zen Gardens in Terminal 3, a perfect spot to unwind, or the hidden nap pods tucked away near Gate C22. Pro tip, if you're a foodie, skip the main food court and hunt down the local Emirati cafe near Concourse B for authentic flavors. And if you need a shower or a quick freshen up, there are hidden facilities in some lounges. Even if you're not flying business class, you can often pay for access. So, are you ready to explore Dubai Airport like never before? Let's kick off this adventure and uncover the secrets that will make your journey truly epic. Keep your eyes open, stay curious, and you'll discover a side of Dubai Airport most people never see. First up, the Zen Gardens, an oasis of calm right inside Dubai International Airport. You'll find these tranquil gardens tucked away in Terminal 3, near gates B7 and B27, making them easy to access for most international travelers. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by lush greenery, winding paths, and soothing water features that drown out the airport bustle. There are plenty of benches for relaxing, and the natural light streaming in makes it feel like a true escape. If you're looking to meditate, or simply enjoy a quiet moment, this is the perfect spot. Pro tip: visit early in the morning or late at night for the most peaceful experience, and don't forget to bring a book or headphones to make the most of your time in the serene retreat before your next flight. Need real rest during a layover or a long wait? Head to Terminal 1 and discover Snooze cubes, private sleep pods designed for travelers who crave comfort and privacy. Each pod features a cozy bed, high-speed Wi-Fi, a personal TV, and charging ports for your devices. Booking is simple. Use the touch screen outside the pods or reserve online in advance. You can rent a Snooze cube by the hour, making it perfect for short naps or longer rest between flights. The pods are located within the secure zone, so you don't have to clear security again. Forget about awkward naps in noisy terminals or trying to get comfortable on plastic chairs. Travelers rave about waking up refreshed and ready for their next flight. Next time you're stuck at Dubai Airport, treat yourself to a Snooze cube. You'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Did you know Dubai Airport features a sleek driverless indoor train system that connects the terminals? This automated train zips between terminals 1 and 3 in just a few minutes, making it incredibly convenient for travelers with tight connections or heavy luggage. The ride is totally free, super clean, and feels like something out of the future. Fun fact, the train can carry hundreds of passengers at a time and runs every few minutes, so you'll never have to wait long. Save time and energy. Hop on, relax, and enjoy the smooth ride as you take in the impressive views of the airport's bustling terminals. If you're looking to unwind during your travels, Timeless Spa in Terminal 3 is your oasis at Dubai Airport. Step into a calming atmosphere with gentle lighting and tranquil music, designed to melt away travel stress. Choose from a menu of treatments, relaxing massages, rejuvenating facials, express manicures, and even foot reflexology, all tailored for travelers on the go. Prices start around 100 AED for a quick 15-minute massage, with longer sessions and luxury packages available if you have more time. For the best experience, book ahead or visit during off-peak hours to avoid waiting. Hydrate before and after your treatment, and don't forget to ask about special offers for transit passengers. Whether you have a long layover or just need a quick pick-me-up, Timeless Spa will leave you feeling refreshed and ready for your next flight. If you're craving a true taste of luxury during your layover, the rooftop pool at Dubai International Hotel in Terminal 3 is a must-visit. Access to this stunning pool is exclusive to hotel guests, so you'll need to book a room, even if it's just for a few hours. Once checked in, you can take a refreshing swim with panoramic runway views, or simply unwind on a sun lounger while watching planes take off and land. The hotel also offers access to a fully equipped gym, sauna, and even spa treatments for ultimate relaxation. Many travelers rave about the peaceful atmosphere and the feeling of escaping the airport rush, right in the heart of the terminal. Whether you're traveling solo or with family, the Dubai International Hotel pool is a hidden oasis that transforms your layover into a memorable experience. Dubai Airport is home to stunning art installations, massive sculptures, interactive displays, and vibrant paintings by both local and international artists. You'll find these hidden galleries scattered throughout the terminals. Look for the breathtaking mosaic by Mater bin Lahej in Terminal 3, or the mesmerizing kinetic sculpture by local artists in Terminal 1. Slow down and discover this secret gallery, snap a selfie, read about the featured artists, and soak in Dubai's creative spirit as you explore the airport's artistic side. Need a breath of fresh air? Step into Dubai Airport's breathtaking indoor forest, a lush oasis right inside Terminal 3. Designed to mimic a natural woodland, this green sanctuary features soaring trees, tropical palms, and a variety of exotic plants from around the world. Carefully curated species like ferns, bamboo, and flowering shrubs create a vibrant ecosystem, filling the air with fresh oxygen and a calming scent. Winding walkways lead you through peaceful groves, while natural light streams in from above, making you forget you're in one of the world's busiest airports. The forest isn't just beautiful, it's designed to reduce stress, boost your mood, and offer a tranquil escape from the airport crowds. It's open to everyone and totally Instagrammable, with plenty of cozy corners for photos or quiet reflection. Whether you want to meditate, read, or simply reconnect with nature between flights, the indoor forest is the perfect place to recharge before your next adventure. Dubai Airport's duty-free is legendary, but the real deals are hidden if you know where to look. Skip the main aisles and check smaller shops at the ends of terminals. These often have exclusive items and less crowded shelves. Don't hesitate to ask staff about flash sales, bundle offers, or unadvertised discounts. They're more common than you think. Some of the best bargains are on perfumes, cosmetics, electronics, and local treats like dates and saffron. compare prices with your home country using your phone and skia Europer Dumber Dundee and Denver Pun and look for multi-buy deals on souvenirs and gifts. Hunt for bargains, stack up on duty-free exclusives, and you might score luxury finds at a fraction of the price. Want to relax in style before your flight? Dubai Airport's VIP lounges are true hidden gems, offering a peaceful escape from the busy terminals. Explore lesser-known options like Marhaba or Sleep and Fly, where you'll find premium service, gourmet snacks, high-speed Wi-Fi, and even private nap pods or quiet rooms for rest. Many lounges feature plush seating, showers to freshen up, dedicated workspaces, and attentive staff ready to help with anything you need. Access is easier than you think. Some lounges are open to all travelers for a fee or with certain credit cards, while others offer day passes at the door. Once you experience the comfort and amenities of these lounges, you'll never want to wait at the gate again. Long layovers at Dubai Airport can be a challenge, but with the right essentials, you can turn downtime into a comfortable and productive experience. Here are my top 5 must-haves, plus a few bonus tips to make your layover a breeze. First, a quality travel pillow is a game-changer. My favorite is the Cabot Evolution S3, which offers great neck support and packs down small. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Next, invest in noise-canceling headphones like the Sony WH-1000XM5. These block out airport noise, letting you relax, nap, or enjoy your favorite playlist or podcast. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Don't forget a portable charger. My go-to is the Anker PowerCore 1000. With so many devices to keep powered, you'll never have to hunt for an outlet. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. A reusable water bottle is essential for staying hydrated, especially on long flights. I recommend the Hydro Flask Standard Mouth for its insulation and durability. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. And finally, an eye mask like the Alaska Bear Silk Sleep Mask is perfect for blocking out light and getting quality rest, even in a busy terminal. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Dubai Airport has water refill stations throughout the terminals, so you can easily top up your bottle. If you have lounge access, take advantage of the comfortable seating, showers, and complimentary snacks to recharge between flights. Bonus tip: pack travel-sized toiletries like moisturizer, hand sanitizer, and facial wipes to freshen up during your layover. Also, keep your devices loaded with offline entertainment and download the Dubai Airport app for real-time updates and maps. Pack these essentials, and you'll be ready for anything your layover throws at you. Whether it's a quick nap, a productive work session, or just relaxing before your next adventure. Thanks so much for joining me today as we uncovered some of Dubai Airport's most fascinating hidden gems and unique experiences. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just passing through for the first time, there's always something new to discover in this incredible airport. Let's quickly recap some of the top tips we covered. Don't miss the Zen Gardens for a peaceful escape. Check out the art installations scattered throughout the terminals, and be sure to sample some of the world-class dining options available. Remember, the airport isn't just a place to wait for your flight, it's a destination in itself. Next time you find yourself with a layover or some extra time at Dubai Airport, don't just rush to your gate. Take a few minutes to wander, explore, and enjoy everything this world-class airport has to offer. From delicious dining options to relaxing lounges, immersive shopping experiences, and even tranquil spaces to unwind. You never know what hidden gem you might stumble upon. If you enjoyed this video and want more insider travel tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me bring you even more helpful guides and travel inspiration for your next adventure. And if you have your own favorite spots or tips for Dubai Airport, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Wishing you safe and memorable travels wherever you go. Remember, every journey is an opportunity to explore, learn, and make new memories, even in the airport. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next journey. Until then, happy exploring and may your adventures always take flight. Thanks for watching. I hope you found new favorites to try on your next trip through Dubai. But remember, these are just a few of the many hidden gems waiting to be discovered at Dubai Airport. If you've stumbled upon a secret lounge, a unique art installation, or a cozy spot to relax, let us know in the comments below. Your tips help fellow travelers uncover even more amazing experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more travel secrets, hidden gems, and insider tips from airports around the world. There's always something new to discover. See you in the next video.